Welcome. In this video I will show you how to copy and paste on your HP 255. So I think first of all let's find something to copy and paste. So let's get to our file explorer. We have of course can copy and paste pretty much all the elements we have within our windows, but I'm gonna show you the example of files, more specific photos, screenshots. So we can either select one file that we want to copy, or we can of course make a selection of many files, and after that, in order to copy them, you can either click copy on the toolbar at the top of the program if it supports such a toolbar. This will copy the files. This icon, the scissors icon, will cut them out of this directory so that you'll be able to put them into a different one. To paste your files, you have to click paste. Okay, and since we decided to cut them out from the screenshots directory, if we return to it, we'll no longer find these two photos in here. Now, alternatively, you can select files and then right click and select copy or cut. And then if you select the empty space of your program, you'll be able to click paste. Alternatively, you can use shortcuts. So the shortcuts are the following: Control C to copy, Control X to cut the file or the text out, and Control V to paste. And if you want to open a clipboard, you're gonna have to press Windows V. And here you're gonna have to turn on the clipboard. So by here, of course, I mean this window that popped up in the bottom right corner of the screen. Click turn on, and here you'll find the previously captured clips. So it might be pieces of text, it might be some files, and you can select whatever you want to paste into this particular directory from this list. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.